Those women are going to come and scare him away. Sorry the video is shaky. I do not have a tripod. And my hands are not steady. He's so cute. He could really care less right now.
Get closer.
Oh, I suck at this.
You won't be too afraid. Oh, you better hurry then.
There's somebody coming up the trail. Sorry it's shaky, guys. Trying to walk slowly up to him. Oh, does he see me yet? No, he still got his back to me. So cute. He's an adorable fuzzy. An adorable fuzzy. Oh, there he goes. Oh. And he looks right at me. Nah. I think he was okay, except for then there was people coming from the other side too.
Yeah, that